Hello friends, welcome to our fall decoration. And our hosts are Miss Anthony's Adventures, Miss Courtney, Deborah Cabassa from Home Living Channel. And our co-hosts are J Mom Creations, Mary Precious Jones, and me at Penny's Lifestyle Channel. And friends, as I promised, here is my footage for my video for my fall season decoration. And guys, let's get started. Thank y'all so much for watching and stopping by. Let me share with you what I'm going to do for the fall. I'm going to use my decoration books, and I bought this beautiful black heavy book from Home Goods for $19. And this book is just my Joanne Gaines book. And what I did here, I just took the cover off because the white cover didn't coordinate with the black. So let's see how this is going to work. Also, these are my beautiful fall flowers I bought from Hobby Lobby, and these are on sale for half price. So guys, go get that fall sale. And I wanted to coordinate some beautiful colors for the fall, that burgundy and these beautiful other flowers. Friends, before I go any further, if you're new here, I would love for you to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope that you get some inspiration for the fall during our fall decorations. Friends, this is my beautiful black ginger jar, and the design is so beautiful. It has a little silver pattern on this, and I bought this from Home Goods for $65, I believe. And I'm telling you, this is a great price because I went to an antique store and I saw some ginger jars, and guys, it was like $160 or $80, and it wasn't this pretty. So here's a clip of it. I believe it, like I said, $160 or $165. So thank God for Home Goods. And also, friends, you can always put your high-end decor flowers merchandise together with the little ends. And these are my Dollar Tree $125 beautiful pumpkin flowers. So this is just one look right here, style number 1 that I did on my credenza. Friends, I found this at Home Goods. It is so very beautiful. I love the sparkly glam look, that baby blue color, and that was only $20. So I just want to put some color with the black, which is an accent color. So tell me what you think about this look. This is style number 2. Friends, in this look, I wanted to put the flowers inside the vase, and I think this really gives this elegant look, and it carries its own weight, guys, with this black ginger jar and those beautiful designs. So this is style number 3. Friends, with style number 3, as you see, the ginger jar is on the books, but here I just moved it on the side. So tell me what you think with this. I'm just taking my time with this because I'm trying to find the look that I'm searching for. This is style number 4, where I am going to put the pumpkin because fall does bring in the pumpkins, and I'm going to use it on my decor books. Friends, this is finally style number 5, my finished look, and I think I have achieved it. So what I did, I add my black tray and I add my decor books I made, my papa grass, if I'm saying that right, decorations with the decor books with the beautiful glam pumpkin. I add my candle and these beautiful flowers. So friends, you got to tell me what you think of this. Falls bring in beautiful fall colors, and I wanted to add this beautiful mint green candle with a touch of gold. So I want to thank the ladies that collab with me, Miss Anthony's Adventures, Miss Courtney, Miss Deborah Cabassa, Home Living Channel, J Mom Creations, and Mary Precious Jones. Thank you so much, ladies, for collaborating with me and those that did participate in this collab. I will be watching the playlist. Thank you so much for your patience and love. And those that are faithful followers, thank you so much. Sorry, guys, I was just a little busy. Couldn't get the thing up and get it finished the way I wanted to. But I hope y'all have a blessed and prosperous day. God bless you. Love you from Penny. Bye-bye.